This is the information and communication technology, a rough web app I made from C# and Blazor. I made a simple login page that will be redirected to unit registry. I have an item registry also, which is the breakdown components of a unit or standalone item. There are input fields and drop downs of offices. Once you enter the details and hit the register button, and the input fields will be reset, and the latest entry will be displayed on the top row of the panel on the right side of the user interface, where you can search the data using keywords. And I put a show menu to display the buttons on the left side of the data, where you can delete the row which display a confirmation panel, which gives you a chance to reconsider your decision. Other than that, you can edit the details of the units, which as you can see, there's no save button because it is an autosave as you change the details except the employee ID, which requires clicking the confirmation button. Moving forward to ICT item entry, I make a bind input toggle which sorts the entries while you enter the information to avoid double entries. Then just like unit entries, we have input fields on the left side of user interface, and basic information of entries displayed on the right side of the user interface. You will notice the rough bugs in the user interface. That only proves that I did not copy any source code from the internet. Take note that the unit dropdowns are referred to the data you entered to unit entries, or rather that you enter to unit ICT unit entries.